All right, so what kind of lines are these? What kind of lines are these? Huh? Starts with a P. All right, so they're parallel lines. Okay? All right, so what is unique about the slope of parallel lines? They're the same. Okay? What is unique about the y-intercept for parallel lines? They're different. Okay? Because look at these two lines. They're both going to have the same slope, but this one crosses the y-axis here, and this one crosses the y-axis here. So if I was to write an equation that said y equals negative 3 over 2x minus 1, then any line that is parallel to it has to have the same slope. And you could put whatever y-intercept you want. We could say plus 5. These are parallel lines. They have the same slope, and they have different y-intercepts. Okay? So, if we come over here and look at this, what's the slope of this line? Okay, so the slope is negative 7 over 2. Okay? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take this slope, and I want you to write the equation using this slope going through this point. Write the equation of that line. Does that make sense? So I just used this form right here. This was what the homework was, by the way. Okay? I used this form, and I just plugged in what I knew. I have a y value. I put that right there. I have an m, or my slope. I put this right here. I have an x value right here. I put that right there. So then we have, if I multiply this, if I multiply negative 7 over 2 times negative 2, well, that as a fraction is 2 over 1, so I have 14 over 2, which gives me 7. So this is 7 plus b, and I subtract the 7, and b equals negative 3. So that's my y-intercept. Okay? So this is the equation. Now, our original equation was y equals negative 7 over 2x minus 5. Our new equation is y equals negative 7 over 2x minus 3. Do these two have the same slope and different y-intercepts? Yes. Has the same slope, has different y-intercepts, so they are parallel lines. Okay? Now, this is how your problems will look to you on your sheet. It will say write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line described. So you have to first find the slope. What's the slope of this line? Negative 9 over 2. So my slope is negative 9 over 2. And I want to now go through the point 2, negative 5. So I want you to all write the equation of a line that has a slope of negative 9 over 2 and goes through the point 2, negative 5. All right? So this way I went ahead and did point slope. Y minus the y value equals the slope times x minus the x value. These two negatives right here make it a positive. I distribute the negative 9 over 2 to the x, negative 9 over 2x. Negative 9 over 2 times negative 2 is over here. Gives me positive 9. Subtract the 5 to both sides. And so again, After we're done, if we look at these two equations, we see we have parallel lines. I have the same slope, different y-intercepts. All right, one more. You guys do this one. Through 1, 1, parallel y equals 6x plus 2.
Then you use y.
So I'm going to use slope-intercept form. 1 equals 6.
Not that dimension two. Not that dimension two.
Tell me what to do now. I already am adding 6. Yep, I'll subtract that 6.
Yeah, right. It's something like it takes a long time.
It's a different y-intercept. We're looking for the y-intercept.
Right.
Now my y-intercept is negative 5.
This is really long or maybe
So y equals
clear
6x.
outside from the pencil or from the drawing.
We don't have plus negative, it's just minus 5.
Single.
Yep.
That was
Same slope, different y-intercepts.